Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add website exceptions in the lockdown mode on iPhone or the iPad. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which iPad you have, it is all going to work the same on both those devices. So what you want to do is to open the website. And if your website in the lockdown mode enabled, it doesn't work properly. And what is the lockdown mode, how to turn it on, what it does, we have another video on our channel about everything about the lockdown mode that you need to know. If your website doesn't work properly and you want to add some exceptions, you want to go and click on this little AA icon right here, and then you want to go to the website settings. So let's click on website settings right now, and as you can see you have some options right here, and you have the lockdown mode. So you can turn off the lockdown mode for the specific website. They are going to be asked, the iPhone is going to be asked you, are you sure about it? So turn off, then click done, and now the website is going to reload. And as you can see, for example, we have another font right now on the whole website. So now let's go again to make you see the difference. Turn on the lockdown mode, keep in mind about the font. As you can see now, the font is different on the website. So again, let's make the exception. Done. As you can see, the font, for example, changes. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.